Kara people! Hi guys! So this is gonna be a brand new content for our channel, and we used to go travel vlog and like a day in our life, but this is gonna be a brand new content for us, which is really exciting. So Anmol got me a gift for my birthday, so it's like 5 days advance for my birthday. So here it is. I'll show you what's inside. This came from Sydney, and let's unbox it. Guess what's inside? It's iWatch Series 8! iWatch Series 8 for my birthday gift! Thank you, my love! So yeah, let's watch and see what's inside. So inside the box, there's nothing. It's just this. And then how to open this. It's gonna be like, yeah, that one and that one. Ta-da! So let's start from here. The box is kind of like pretty and not boring design. See, these are the different straps that you can get, and then it has Apple Watch in here, which is engraved. And then there are two boxes. I think one is for strap and then one is for the actual watch. So let's go and start from the watch. This one is a manual for the watch. And then there's a cable charger. And then the fast fast charging cable. And then the actual watch. Be careful. I got the 41mm Apple Watch Series 8 in a Starlight. Let me double check. I don't want to give you guys wrong information, but yeah, Series 8 Starlight aluminum case, Starlight Sport brand. So that's what I got, to be specific. So this is how it looks like. I got it in a Starlight color. Well, not me, but my lovey got me in Starlight color. And then let's put it here, and then let's unbox the there you go, the strap. I'm not sure how to do it. What's inside is a manual, and I got this color, same color as the color of the actual watch. So this one, ta-da! And then another manual how you put the strap. And then the actual strap. Oh, there's an extra. This is one. Then there's an extra one here. And then yeah, pretty much it. That's it. This one is for like a smaller or shorter version. Like for example, I have a small wrist where I could probably use the smaller version, and then this is like a longer one. And yeah, that's it. And yep. Sorry guys, I said it's a fast charger, but it's actually the Mac safe charger for the watch. So you probably know what this one is, but basically for the charger of the iWatch. How to open this? There you go. It's a type C charger, and then this one is the one you're gonna put the watch like this. Yep, it's a magnetic one. Let's open it. Buwisit, I don't know how to open. I can put the watch, I mean like the strap now before anything else. So this one, I'm choosing the smaller version. There. No, no. Why it keeps on playing? Hi guys, so it requires to bring the iPhone near it, but my phone is charging, so I will prepare another video for the review of the actual watch. So this is just an unboxing. See you guys later. Bye.